So Alibaba released this OminiAvatar, which is yet another audio to avatar creation. So this one has the best body movements of all avatar video generations I have ever seen. The face might not be as good, I have seen better, but the body movements are another level. So let's see some examples.
你好啊，各位，欢迎收听我们的科技闲聊播客科技杂谈，我是今天的主播小林。
大家好我是老周，很高兴又和大家见面了。
欢迎体验由阿里巴巴夸克 AI 团队打造音频驱动
视频生成模型。
欢迎收听我们的节目科技前沿观察，我是小林。今天我们又迎来了一周的科技和商业热点分享时间。
大家好，我是小王。这周的科技圈和商业圈确实有不少值得关注的动态。
这款杯子已经制陶瓷制成，简约而富有现代感，适合各种场合使用。
香奈儿香水是奢华与精致的代名词，每一款都蕴含着独特的香氛故事。
这款 LV 包包融合了经典与时尚，是每位追求品质与品味人士的必备之选。
这款裙子采用轻盈舒适的面料，设计简约而不失优雅。
我每个月打一次电话。
没有找到日程，走的时候请锁门。
拍照问夸克，啥都能答，这个定位很清晰啊。
Well, this feature is one of the most impressive I have ever seen. So object interaction is the best so far across all video generation models yet. So this can kill product commercials and marketing agencies. Look how consistent it keeps the object. Look, the perfect deformation from the thing here. And this is mind-blowing. Look, oh my god. It's just another level for object interactions.
随时准备加速突破。运球时保持低姿态，膝盖微屈，眼睛要看远处，手指控制篮球。
Look at this. The logo is very consistent. So gone are the days where AI hands were bad. So now you can do interaction with objects, including smartphones. This is incredible. You can control emotions, do podcasts, even sing. So the good news, the even better news is that they already released the code and it's Apache 2.0 license, which is one of the best open source licenses we have. And they also released the model weights. I'm gonna put the link of all of it in the description if you wanna try it. To install it, you only need to follow these instructions. It's not too difficult. You need to install Torch and the requirements and Flash Attention if you want. And then this is how you run it. They don't have a UI interface yet, but when they do, I'm gonna make a video about it because this one is just mind-blowing. And if you don't have a powerful GPU, you can definitely go to MimicPC where they have a bunch of templates. You can just launch and use it. No setup at all. And you help the channel.